Hello, adventurers. Welcome to the Outdoor Infinity channel, your one-stop source for all things outdoor and camping. In today's video, we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of RV camping. We'll be discussing the thrill of hitting the open road, the basics you need to know before you start, and even exploring different types of camping. Plus, we'll show you how to become a part of our ever-growing community of outdoor enthusiasts. So buckle up and stay tuned for an unforgettable adventure. Ever wondered what it's like to camp in an RV? Imagine the thrill of the open road, the freedom to roam, and the flexibility to set up camp wherever your heart desires. With RV camping, you bridge the gap between rugged adventurism and the comfort of home. You're not just observing nature, you're living it, all while enjoying the amenities you're accustomed to. But don't just take our word for it, experience it for yourself. Before you hit the open road, it's essential to know some RV basics. RVs come in all shapes and sizes, from compact camper vans to grand motorhomes. Safety should always be your top priority, so familiarize yourself with your RV's features and always do a thorough pre-trip inspection. The joy of RV camping lies in choosing the perfect spot, so consider the campgrounds that suit your adventure. Whether it's a serene lakeside or a rugged mountain range, the choice is yours. Remember, preparation is key to a fun and safe RV camping experience. RV camping isn't just one size fits all. There's a world of options out there, each offering unique experiences. Take boondocking, for instance, an off-the-grid adventure for those craving solitude and nature's raw beauty. Or the community vibe in campgrounds, where you can share stories around a campfire. Then there are RV parks, offering amenities like electricity, water, and Wi-Fi. So whether you're a solo adventurer or a family camper, there's an RV camping style for you. Ready to embark on your RV camping journey? There's an entire universe of RV thrills, campgrounds, and unique camping styles waiting for you here at the Outdoor Infinity. We're your compass navigating the vast world of RV camping. From the basics to the not-so-basic, we've got you covered. So why wait? Dive in, learn, explore, and soak in the joys of the RV lifestyle. Don't miss out on our upcoming adventures. Hit that subscribe button now and become a part of the Outdoor Infinity community today.